Yawning. Yawning is considered to be from shaitan, Satan. One should try to suppress yawning as much as possible. If you yawn, keep your mouth closed or cover it with your hand. Making loud sounds while yawning is disliked. Sneezing face, sneezing. Sneezing is considered a blessing from Allah. When you sneeze, say, Alhamdulillah. The listener should reply, Yarhamukallah, may Allah have mercy on you. Then the person who sneezed should say, Yahdikumullahu